Like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on feet look of another EQLZ 247. This one is more of an Oreo panda type vibe colorway. But before we get up into a detailed look of these things, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as we look at the exterior of this sneaker, first off, let's start off with the fact that these are probably some of the best hooping sneakers right now to hoop in. And I love the quality on these things. I've done other reviews on the all black and the all white. Links will be up on the screen. Make sure you guys go check those out if you're interested in purchasing any of these sneakers. But as we look at the exterior of this sneaker, on the left-hand side, as you guys can see, you have a black and white base. The leather on the sides of the shoe are really good. But you have a white outsole with the hints of the black. And then as we go up to the top of the sneaker where the laces are at, it's going to be all black. I feel like it would be super dope, as you guys can see behind the netting right here, if they would have put that in white behind there. I feel like that would have just gave more of that Oreo type vibe. But they did not, which is cool. As we look on the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, the exact same thing. And this sock that comes with the sneaker is very good quality, man. Supports the ankle really well. As you guys see the right side of this sneaker, also aesthetically, I do feel like these are some sneakers that you can actually wear lifestyle. You don't have to just wear them on the court. As you look at the back of the sneaker, the pull tab is made in leather, and it does have that EQLZ written there, as you guys can see right there. And then the bottom is just that crazy traction and crazy unique design when it comes to the traction on these things. Super good grip on the court. So make sure you guys, if you are interested in purchasing these things, I will have a link below. You can cop your pair. I think the retail is like $160. I think that's what it is for these things. But when it comes to comfortability and sizing, let's start with sizing. The sizing for these things are true to size. I'm a size 11.5, and normally in my basketball sneakers, I always go a half size up. This is 11.5, and this is perfectly fine. They're not even hard to put on with the sock line or anything like that, like some old basketball sneakers. Whenever you had a sock line on it, they're kind of hard to slide in. But these are actually perfect. I've even had some people say that they wanted to go a half a size down just because they didn't want any slippage or anything when they're on the court when it came to these sneakers. And I don't feel like I have any of that. So I'm going to recommend for sizing purposes for this video, true to size, do not go a half a size up, in my opinion. Now, as far as comfortability on these things are super comfortable. Well support on the heel and the anchor collar of these sneakers, man. And the traction, like I said, is very good, especially indoor. My homeboy, he plays outdoor in them, and he's had nothing but great things to say about them. So I guess they're kind of versatile when it comes to that. But I will say that if you are looking for a very good hooping sneaker that's going to give you support, that's going to give you stability, I was going to say comfortability wise, these are a 8 out of 10 when it comes to comfortability. And overall, I'm going to give them an 8.5 out of 10 when it comes to just aesthetic, performance, and all that great stuff, in my humble opinion. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about these things? Are these something that y'all mess with? Can y'all actually see them wearing lifestyle? But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the box, and then an up close and personal look at the sneaker, and we're gonna close out this video. So as we take a look at the box, I really like the simplicity when it comes to this box. You have the EQLZ in big bold letters. Kind of reminds me of a Yeezy type vibe when it comes to the boxes. This is what the tag looks like on the exterior of the box. Again, this is a size 11.5, and you can go true to size EQLZ 247s. And then as we open up the box, you just pull this right here, pull it back, and you have the paper right here that has the like font and the writing there, EQLZ. Open them up, and the sneakers will be placed in there. The only thing that comes in the box is going to be this little card right here. Nothing special. It's in another language, so I have no idea. And we do have each one of the sneakers that's going to be in the box. No quality control stickers or anything like that when it comes to these shoes. So as we just get a closer look at these sneakers, like I said, the material on them is pretty good. As you guys can see right here, just along the toe box, very, very good durable material. And the exterior, when it comes to that traction, is just unique, and it's made for performance and hooping, man. The support is there. The leather quality along the sides is very good, as you guys can see right here. And even with the pull tab on the back, you do have that leather on the pull tab. Extended sock liner gives you super support, and it is very, very durable, man. So all in all, super dope, clean sneaker, very good performance sneaker. And aesthetically, I think you can pull these off wearing them lifestyle as well. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, do you own a pair of these? What are your thoughts and opinions? But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including this sneaker right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth.